Hello everyone, welcome to Stamp Show Variants and Swatch app. So today I'm going to show you how you can show swatch on the collection page or search page or on our custom sections. For example, as you can see, this is our swatch, and when you change the swatch, it changed also the images and price as well, and badge too. Let's do it together. I will have one sale collection, so I want to show color swatch under this variants. I'm going to app. I'm on the swatch variant picker menu. Click the create swatch. So I need to give one name, for example, color swatch for discounted. So I need to select option, so you can show all options separately on swatch, or you can go one by one. I'm gonna go one by one for this time. I added color. If you have different languages, translation, so you also need to add the option name translation here as well. For example, for German, Farbe, and if you have other translate name, you need to add all of it. So when the app show the swatch, it can split by these options. And you need to select the location, so you can show the swatch on collection page, search page, or on our custom sections. So I'm gonna go for the collection page. I can also limit the swatch per collection. For example, if you want to show the swatch on all collection, you don't need to select anything. But I want to limit it, and I'm going for discounted collection. And I want to click on it. As you can see, the preview works. If I switch to hover, it will just change when I hover it. I want to show the image. I can show color and button. So I'm going to go for color this time. I want to show, I don't touch anything else here. I can also change the shape. I want to go circle. The swatch position, bottom is okay. Swatch display. If you have a lot of swatch, you can just show it in carousel, or you can show it the show fit and plus more. When they click on the plus more, it will show all of them. You can also play with the size, the color, disable look, how you want to show a single cross, double cross, or you can hide the out of stock swatch as well. So I'm going to go for display disabled look for this time. And yeah, you can also follow the other style settings, but I don't touch anything else. Just save it. And I'm going to collection page, refresh the page, and you can see the swatch are on the collection page. If I click on it, it also change it. And you can also combine swatch with other option. For example, for this product has color and size. So I want to create another swatch, different looks, and I want to combine with color. So let's do that. I'm going back to swatch page, create new swatch, and size swatch for discounted. And again, you need to select the option. If you have translation, you also need to add the translation to display location collection page. I want to limit it. It only work on discounted collection. Click is okay. I want to show button. I don't want to show tooltip. I don't want to show in title. Title means this one. If you disable it, it won't show in title. Also, if you have one single value, it will hide it, so you don't need to worry about it. And I will keep the same. Just save it. Come back to collection page, refresh. So as you can see, when I click on the color, it also changed the size swatch, but I don't want to show the out of stock swatch too. I'm going back, click the hide swatch, save it, and refresh here. As you can see, it shows small, medium, X large for the navy color, and if I go for white, medium, large, X large. So it also change the price. So if I want to show in the title, it will show here. For example, enable the show in the title, refresh the page. As you can see, it shows in the title. So you can also show the swatch on our custom sections. For example, this is the stamp bestseller custom section. So I want to show the swatch on it. Just going back, create new swatch. I want to say it bestseller swatch. I want to show only the color, and I select the bestseller collection here. I want to show image, it's fine. And I want to show circle. Save it. And when I refresh the page, as you can see, it shows the swatch as well. So if I click on it, it changed the image and badge too, and also the price. So that's all. So it's pretty easy. I wish you a great day. Thank you so much for watching.